welcome back to my channel. So this will be another short video on how to include ChatGPT search result when you search anything on Google. Let's say suppose if you search what is Twitter in Google, so it does not have it's the usual result from Google, right? It does not have any search result from ChatGPT. And if you want to display the result from ChatGPT alongside the Google search result, you can do that with a Google Chrome extension. To do that, click on extensions over here, click on manage extension, click on the hamburger menu on the left hand side, click on open Chrome Web Store, and in the search bar type ChatGPT for Google. So click on the first option, ChatGPT for Google, click on add to Chrome, add extensions. So let's go back to our Google search and let's refresh this. So now you can see that it's including the search it's including the result from ChatGPT. So yeah, this is how you can display the search result from ChatGPT alongside the result from Google search. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.